lavatories located
Dito na kami sa
in your
taas.
section.
Kaya may ilaw na.
Tampering with the lavatories
Pwede na. Oh, mag-hi ka naman dyan. Napakasuplada.
smoking, vaping, or the
Inaantok daw siya. Ako hindi makatulog kasi tinutok-tok yung likod
Please
ng
be
upo.
mindful of your belongings throughout the flight and keep your
Ayan.
valuable possessions
Kaya
secure.
nandito na talaga kami sa tuktok
We
ng
remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead storage bins to
Ayan.
retrieve your items, as this may have shifted during the flight.
So,
Please be reminded that power banks and spare batteries are prohibited inside the overhead storage bins. If you have these items, please keep them on your person, or you may put them in the seat pocket or under the seat in front of you at all times. You may now charge your portable electronic devices such as cell phones and laptops. Please do not leave your charging devices unattended. Charging of power banks using the in-seat charging ports is strictly prohibited throughout the flight. Please notify our cabin crew if you notice any abnormality or signs of overheating of your portable electronic devices or batteries. For further assistance, please call any of your cabin crew. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform you that wireless in-flight entertainment is now available on your personal devices. For more information, simply follow the instructions posted on your seats. If you need further assistance, please don't hesitate to ask any of our cabin crew for help. Thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we hope you enjoy your entertainment experience on board. Mga binibining, ginang at ginoo, nais namin ipaalam sa inyo ang wireless in-flight entertainment ay magagamit na sa inyong personal devices. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, maaari ninyong sundin ang detalyadong instruction na nakadikit sa inyong upuan. Kung kailangan ninyo ng karagdagang tulong, tumawag lamang ng cabin crew. Inaasahan namin na inyong magustuhan ang in-flight entertainment sa flight na ito. Maraming salamat po.
Hindi ka tinako ni Katim. Maloko ah.